You're looking at a really clean 2007 Ducati Superbike. It's the 1098. This one's got a host of recent upgrades, including a fresh set of tires, a slipper clutch, a Termi exhaust with dual carbon fiber cans. It's been mapped and tuned by AMS Ducati over in Dallas, Texas. And it's got a folder full of maintenance records from the Ducati dealer in Plano, Texas. The original owner traded this bike in at a Harley dealership, and the owner of the Harley dealership used to ride on the track about 10 years ago. So he took the bike, put new tires on it, did a service, pulled the mirrors off, and did a track session on it down there at Circuit of the Americas. He said the bike performed amazing, but he just realized he's probably getting too old to be going down and doing track days. So we put the mirrors back on, and I've got a folder full of all the service that's done to the bike. A lot of the scheduled maintenance was done in advance. Like 15,000 mile service was done at like 11,000 or 12,000 miles, but all the receipts tell the story. Very well maintained. The bike's never been laid down, and I'm told this clutch alone is over $1,000. It's got carbon fiber pieces, and that full exhaust system is about $3,000. It has a power commander. It's been dyno tuned. It's just a last of the true analog Ducatis before they started doing traction control and wheelie control and all the rider aids. This one's the real deal. And he said he loved the bike because whatever direction you pointed it, it went. It's very fast, has excellent brakes. He also rode an Aprilia RSV4 the same day that has all the gadgets, all the track settings, lean angle sensors, traction control, wheelie control. And he said this bike was a lot more fun to ride because you really had to ride it. But it's a really nice bike. It's a great example of Ducati's history just before they move forward to the newer technology. And I'm going to offer it on Bring a Trailer on behalf of the owner. And we're going to sell it, no reserve, to the last bidder. I'll document all the service tickets. We'll make copies of everything, and we'll list it on the, or we'll have pictures on the listing. But it's a really, really great bike. I just rode it over here from our showroom location. Wow. The sound is like no other motorcycle. It's really amazing. It's kind of music. But have a great day. Happy bidding on Bring a Trailer. This is Bronco Bob wishing you good luck. And whoever gets this bike's going to get a really excellent piece of Ducati history. Well maintained. Just please ride the bike. Don't park it in your collection. It's just too much fun to let it sit. Hope to see you soon. Good luck with the bidding. This is a really nice motorcycle. And most Ducatis are red. This one's yellow, which kind of makes it special, I think. Have a great day. And again, good luck with your bidding.